Shavyfxhub. Let's look at the structure of silver and hope that silver prints a new high. Now, forex trading is very simple if you understand demand and supply. And my concept is a demand and supply concept, where we also look out for break of structure and we look out for potential retest and stay in line with the trend. Now, this is the structure of silver starting from May 2024. Price create here a supply roof, which I'll call ROS resistance, becomes support and break of structure, and the price return here create an SR level, giving us a trend line ATL, an ascending trend line. This is basically for educational purpose. So in case you're wondering how market react and how some of your gurus manage to win trade, so this is what I'm showing you. Some of these things are not necessary, but they are for educational purpose. So you need to take time off your whatever you're doing and look back in time to see how market reacted. How market reacted in the past is still how they're going to react in the present. It's not different. It's not. So price return here, create demand flow after giving us two touches and RS SR interchange, giving us a trend line, ascending trend line. We have a SR1, SR2 subsequently after that. From the roof, we clone this structure and take it to the roof, and the angle of trend is the same. So this is what I did. These are technicalities in trading. The technicalities in trading. These are technicalities in trading. You understand? These are technicalities in trading. The angle of trend is the same. They are the same. So what happened after break of structure? Price has reacted using as a demand floor and ultimately break and it retested RT, and price came here to confirm a broken demand floor after forming a double top structure, and this is the neckline of that double top structure. So I'm also going to put that up, neckline. Sorry. And the double top structure. So subsequently after that, price came back, retested that structure, and have dropped a heavy sell drop to respect the broken neckline of that double top structure, and price came back, respected it before breaking the neckline, and here becomes a potential blue demand floor. This is a demand floor, so that was why I put a blue flag on it. This is also a demand floor. So let's look at this. Now this double top structure has two necklines, a descending neckline and an ascending neckline. The descending neckline also came with another price action. After price broke out from the descending neckline of this double top structure, it came back here, retest for one, retest two, break of structure, followed by a retest. After break of a supply roof, become a demand floor, RT and SR. That's what you have there, RT and SR, retest candle slash SR. A retest of a broken supply roof becomes that's what we have here. So price came back, retested it, and came back again, RTSR. A break of a supply roof becomes a demand floor, and that is why you have RT and SR, retest of a broken supply roof, and it returns as a support, become resistance on another break of structure. So price have returned here to respect it, and also is another retest to the previous one we had. And look at after that, it came on a double confluence. We had another price action here from July 2024, where we've had price here in August 2024 resistance, break of a resistance, price returns here on demand. ROS SR interchange giving us a descending trend line DTL, which I'm also going to put up DTL. I'm going to put that up. So this is basically for educational purpose and for you to see how market reacted in the past, and also remind you that how market reacted in the past will not be different from how market will react in the present. The reaction is the same. And we have got price here, RS here SR, the interchange created a descending trend line, and price return respected it, break of structure, turn it to RS, and we came here, we had two sweet, beautiful retests on demand floor. SR1, SR2, and the last one, SR3. A lot of people will call this what do you call it, manipulation. There is no manipulation in the market. I want to let you know, if you are very conversant with market structure, you understand there is nothing like manipulation in the market. The market is well calibrated, whether you like it or not. So when price return here on a sweet double confluence, a descending trend line DTL meets another descending trend line, creating a high probability buy idea. Look at what price has done. Look at what silver has done from here on a double confluence, a descending trend line, meet another descending trend line. Let me change the color of the bottom one so that as you look at it, it does makes strike some resemblance into, the future. So you can see it. You can see what price has done at that level, and the black descending trend line meet the red descending trend line. They both of them create a high probability trade idea, high probability, and you have seen what price has done. And now we have a break of structure at this level after breaking the roof, which we clone the floor to approach and obtain our supply roof. And we broke that structure. Price is coming back here to this blue roof as a demand floor. So expect it. And when silver does come into that zone, it's going to be a return back into the price action level. And in a more extreme case, maybe the most price can do is to come back here and seek liquidity. Yeah, sometimes market can stretch itself on a weekly candle and return here and pick liquidity and go. Silver is very much bullish, and you can see here beautiful break and retest. That level also is telling us that even if we fail in the first level of a defense, this level is not going to fail because of the retest after a break of a descending trend line. Respect 1, respect 2, ROS1, ROS2, break of ROS level, here demand. Break of a supply roof, ROS1, double top structure, break of neckline, retest 1, retest 2, break of a neckline again, price returns here as a demand floor. So that's all we have for silver. Thank you.